Do you, like me, have neck tension every now and then? I spend time in front of the computers. Because of that, we just have the neck tension by the end of the day. Here I want to guide you simple steps you can help to work on your neck. The reason it's important to work on your neck because when you have headache, when you have a problem with your eyes, a lot of times it's because there's too much tension in the neck. So if you work on the neck, you will not only make your neck feel more comfortable, you will also hopefully address some of the headache, migraine, and the eye strain. Let's get started. Start with put the middle fingers in the middle of the neck. You stretch the neck. One finger goes up, one goes down. And now we move to right side. Keep moving. You move and stretch, move and stretch. Now we come to the left side. You're just stretching your neck. According to the energy medicine that I'm trained in the neck, in this throat chakra, there's 7 chambers. The central, that's 1 chamber, and then you have 3 chambers on the right side, 3 chambers on the left side. When you stretch the neck, you really help with the energy flow. It actually helps with the thyroid problem too, because your thyroid gland sits right here. The second thing I like to do is to make the sideway 8. Start from right in the center of your neck. You make a circle, make a 0 over there, and make 1 on this side. I like to do some horizontal 8. And now I do the vertical ones. You can also do the diagonal. This is like the flower of life. You have your 8s all over in all different directions. I yawn every time energy shifts. So this just worked for me. I'm hoping it's working really well for you too. This also works when you cough, especially when you're in the meditation room. You just start coughing, everyone's so quiet. You want to do something to stop that coughing. Or when you're in a meeting, doing the 8 for me helps. The next thing I want you to do, it's really comforting, is with your fingers. We're going to rake the neck. So put it right in the center, just rake it to the side. I like to rake the front. Don't use too much pressure, okay? You're on your throat, so don't push in. You're just gently raking the neck. Just moving the energy around. And now move to the back of the neck. So again, put your fingers right under the occipital bone. And now here you can use some strength. And pull it apart. You want to dig in, pull apart. Dig in, pull apart. And just allow the fingers to just move out and force off the neck. You can also, the last time when you do that, when you rake the back of the neck, you can move your fingers, come to the front. Keep your pinky touching your neck the whole time. I love this piece. You come all the way down. You can just with your pinky from the top of your ear, go around the neck and come down. It's really comforting to do that for the neck. I hope you take time to do this really simple routine to help relax your neck by the end of the day, or anytime you feel there's too much tension, you just want to move that tension around. If you do it on a consistent basis, it will help you with the headache, with the migraine, and with the strains that we all have after we've been staring at the screens for too long. If you want to follow me around to get more tips on how to help yourself, the simple energy exercises, go to my website, radianthealthandwellbeing.com. Over there, you'll find a lot more helpful information. Thank you for watching. See you next time.